I've been vibe coding for over 70 days, poured hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars into this, and finally, my app Ace is officially live. I'm gonna show you a few use cases that I find really helpful inside of Ace. Let's go. The whole internet is talking about loops right now.
I don't prompt Claude anymore. I have loops that are running. They're the ones that are prompting Claude and kind of figuring.
So what the hell is a loop? Well, to put simply, a loop is literally just an AI agent who is able to build on top of what it has already built. And building loops is actually really easy inside of Ace. All you gotta do is literally just, like you would any loop, bring it back to the previous stage. And boom, now you have a loop. And what's really handy about this is you can actually change like how many times you want to iterate. Maybe you only want 2 rounds or until the reviewer approves. But hold on, loops isn't everything that Ace can do. Believe it or not, Ace can actually one-shot apps really easily. Check this out. Go ahead and click new project, build a team, name your project. I want to build a weather app. Continue. Now you can just click this button over here and record a prompt. I want to create a weather app that reports all the major cities, current weather, and 24 hours into the future. Now I'm going to hit continue, and Ace is actually going to analyze that question and come up with further questions to help reduce any ambiguity or things that it's not fully clear about. What do you want to use this weather app? I'm going to say a Mac app. I'm going to say we'll go top global cities, ready to use right away, and boom. If you have any additional things you want to say, you can add it here, but I'm good. Now you can build the team. I'll go with 3. We don't need anything crazy. You can choose whether you want a recurring job, daily or weekly, for morning briefs or weekly YouTube scripts, but this is just going to be a one-off build. And boom, there you have your team. Now, I don't really love Gemini these days, so I'll replace it with Codex. But you can see it's come up with a custom system prompt for each agent, which is really handy based off of the mission that you provided and the questions that you answered. Boom, let's create a project. And you can literally see here that it's built out a team to build out your project.
A few moments later.
All right, so it's just finished building the app. It's got all the major cities, as you can see. Has it got Sydney, where I'm from? Yep, right there, cool. It's saying 17.6 degrees right now. Oh, is that true? Let me go ahead and bring Google in. Sydney weather. Boom, 18 degrees. All right, that looks pretty accurate. Ours even does the decimal. We've even got this slider over here that tells us the wind and the rain percentage, which is also sick. Now, if you want to try out Ace for yourself, to celebrate the launch of this app, I'm actually doing a 30% off for life offer. This is the only time I'm ever going to do this. So in return, please just give me a bunch of feedback so I can improve the app. I'll leave a link in the description below.